Quick video to show you how to record yourself on a video to submit on Canvas. So we are going to take this example. I just made this example. It's a random thing. It's called record. And it says record yourself talking about something. So first thing you do is click on submit assignment. Once you click submit assignment, you can scroll down and you're going to find this that says record or upload media. So you can either pre-record your video and upload it here, or you can record it directly with your Canvas tool. There it is. So you see here it says start recording. You click start recording. There's a countdown, 3, 2, 1. And here you proceed to make your video. Once you finish, you click finish. If you like what you see, and here you proceed to make your video. Once you finish, then you can click save, or you can click start over if you want to repeat it. So you click save, and then finally you click submit assignment. Once you click submit assignment, it's gonna show you that it's submitted. Let me see, it shows you all the little things that show you that you submitted, and that's it. So you need to check here. You can find the submission details here. You wanna double check that you did it right. Okay, that's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye.